Hi, I'm Vinny from Hacks for Data Analysis, and this is the hack of the week. In this video, I'll show you how to solve in Excel the issue when you have numbers stored as text. So when you find cases like this, like in this example, we have a list, and you can see that we only have numbers, but they look quite weird. And when you look into details, you see this alert, and if you click on it, you can see numbers stored as text. And the problem with that is that if you try to do a Vlookup on that number, you will not find it. So for example, I have the same list of numbers in this column, and if I try to search for each of those numbers in the list, this is what I get. So I'll start with the first one, equals Vlookup. I'll try to search for this number, comma, in this list. I'll press F4 to lock the list, comma, 1, comma, I want an exact match, hit enter, and I see that this number is not available. However, I know that this number is listed here. So if I try to apply the same formula for the other values, this is what I get. And you see that there is an error for every value that is stored as a text. The way to solve this is very easy and quick. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. There is a video every week. Also, don't forget to hit the like button from this video for tricks and tips in Excel, Power BI, and much more. So what you want to do is with the list, you have to select the column, data, text to columns, finish. And that's it. You can see that it's solved already, and now we have a match for all the numbers. And that's how you fix the issue with numbers stored as text in Excel. So this was the hack of the week. I hope you liked it, and I see you next week. Bye.